Hey, what's up guys, CQHD here, and we have it, finally, the brand new and awaited Galaxy Book Pro and Pro 360. Now let's get right into it. Alright, when it comes to these devices, they both come in two sizes, which are the 13 and 15 inch, with the Galaxy Book Pro 360 being able to flip over into a tablet mode or tent mode. Both devices have the brand new Intel 11th Gen processor with Intel Xe graphics, which should deliver quicker responses and such as wake and sleep, along with battery life and being able to include 5G and Wi-Fi 6E compatibility. Also with the improved graphics from the last generation. Even though Samsung does have the older Galaxy Book, there never was an actual Pro to their lineup till now, hinting that this year's models would be more like the most powerful Galaxy Book ever. Both the Galaxy Book Pro and the Pro 360 can now go up to 8GB of RAM, and all the way up to actually 16GB with an LTE variant. Both being the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Books ever, and up to 512GB of SSD storage, which should be just plenty. The Galaxy Book Pro comes in both Mystic Blue and Mystic Silver in some parts of the world, but the Pro 360 in this really nice Mystic Bronze and Mystic Navy. Now with the Galaxy Book Pro 360, this display is now a Super AMOLED touchscreen display with support for the S Pen, which Samsung now includes right in the box, which has also been seen in and with the Galaxy Book Flex and most of the Galaxy Note and Tab series. So now you don't have to buy it as a separate accessory, and you also don't need to buy a battery with it. And it uses Samsung's Wacom technology, which allows air actions from the pen with the press of a button, and the S Pen magnetically attaches to the lid of the Galaxy Book Pro 360. But I would just say don't trust in it gonna stay there for long, so maybe just have a separate way of keeping it around. Now onto the ports. The Galaxy Book Pro has a full-size HDMI port, a micro SD port, a full USB 3.2 port and a 3.5mm headphone jack right on the side. And the Galaxy Book Pro 360 having only 3 USB Type-C ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro SD card slot on the sides. There's a fingerprint sensor right on the power button and a much better camera this year. The Galaxy Book Pro and Pro 360 come with Samsung's AMOLED display technology, which is now more colourful and sharper, and actually isn't a surprise as they always look good, but also paired with the AKG tuned Dolby Atmos speakers, which sound amazing when watching movies. And sound, according to the event, is now immersive with surround sound, which sounds pretty much crazy. With the new thinner battery, Samsung promises that both the Galaxy Book Pro and the Pro 360 should last all day. The Galaxy Book Pro should now give you up to 20 hours of video playback and up to 16 hours of work and play. But with only a 30-minute charge, it can now give you up to 8 hours of usage. With the Galaxy Book Pro's 68 Wh battery and the Pro 360 63 Wh battery, also paired with the 65 watt USB Type-C fast charger, being able to charge these models, but also being able to charge your phone, tablet and other devices that actually support Type-C. Now the Galaxy Book Pro and Pro 360 are now available in-store and online at Samsung.com. The Galaxy Book Pro in the 13.3 inch costs £1,099 and the 15.6 inch at £1,199 in the UK. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 with the 13.3 inch in at the same price as the 13.3 inch Galaxy Book Pro, but the 15.6 inch costing £1,249 and a 5G model coming out soon. Alright, so now that both the Galaxy Book Pro and the Pro 360 is now available, you guys could now consider checking them out. A little side note though, remember when I finally hit 150 subscribers with the first impressions video? Well now, thank you all, because now we've actually just hit the goal of 200 subscribers. But apart from that, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you're subscribed as it does help the channel out a lot. And while you're at it, we could try and hit the new goal of 250 subscribers. But I'll see you guys in the next one.